Hello, what is up, people? You can probably see me at the very corner, at the very bottom. Welcome back to Jamal Plays. So, today I'm going to be showing you how to get a sick moving wallpaper and set up your computer into a whole gaming system that is way better looking. Okay, this does not make your game playing video games any better. All this does is makes your desktop and your whole PC look really good. So you're probably thinking why my camera is really low right now. That's because I've been moving it. Hello, this is me.
Bruh. Look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No, 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 no. Look at the top.
What's up? Okay. First of all, you can see what everything looks like, eh? Easy, easy.
Oh my god! Wow! Oh my god!
This whole thing is looking amazing right now. So first of all, you're gonna need a few applications. They're really easy to get. So I'm gonna go ahead and open Microsoft. Microsoft. Um,
2 hours later.
where is it? I just searched. Where is it? Okay, there we go. It's loading. Just a minute. Okay, here it is. This is what it is. Translucent TV. So what does is your taskbar would be you can turn it into technically whatever. It can be clear, blurry, all that stuff. So all you want to do is just press open, download, and it would download. Mine's already downloaded, so I'm not gonna do it extra. So I'm gonna close that, and it should pop up right here. So you want to click on this, and this is all it's gonna show. It's really easy to do. What you want to do is you see all these 5 options, right? All you gotta do is put it on clear. All 5 of those options. So right here we have max window. We're gonna enable put it on clear. Start menu open, clear. Cortana, clear. Timeline open, clear. All of that on clear, nothing else. That's all you gotta do. And then what it should do is make all the taskbar clear, which makes it look so clean. Yeah, that's all you're gonna need this one for. Please don't delete this. I think it should remove everything that happened. So yeah, now let's go back to the Microsoft Store and I'll show you the next one. So icons 8. Icons 8. Okay, right here. This is another application that's kind of important for the situation. So what this does is it can change your icons of your Windows apps right here. You can see as I did right here. You can technically change it to whatever you want. Almost whatever you want. So all you gotta do is also just download it right here. For me, it says launch because I already own the app. So you just want to open it up, download it, and then this one it won't appear here yet. But if you can scroll down here, and if you go to section where it says I, you can see this right away. Icons 8 Picho. I still don't know how to pronounce that, but it's right here. All I want to do is click on it, and this should pop up. So number one rule you gotta focus on is um few rules. So you have to choose what main colors you want your icons to be. So I always put it on white since then it could give me a lot of different options. I don't always go on specific colors. I'm gonna leave it on white. That's what you should do if you want the same thing as this. So and then you want to go in here. And then for the file type, you want to put ICO. It's going to be automatically set to PNG, but you want to always go in ICO. And uncheck all of these and check oh wait. You want to check that and nothing else. Right here. That's all you want to do. Yeah. Okay, you do that. 64px, that's easy to do. Easy stuff. And then all you got to do is technically just search for whatever you want, or you can search for all the types. So I'm going to just search for Chrome here. Chrome. And you can see all these different types of Chrome and files. So the one I chose was this one because it had the Same type of color as my background, and it looked really nice to me. So it's the gradient line chrome right here. This. So all you want to do is um, right click and then press save as. What that does is it's gonna put it on your files and bada bing. Then you can actually exit out, and for you guys, if you haven't already done it, it's gonna be already normal. It's gonna look like the normal original Chrome here. So you want to right click, and then there's gonna be another Chrome here. You want to press another, like right click again, and go to properties. Click on properties, and then you're gonna get this page. This part is easy. Then you want to press this middle button which says change icon, and you want to press browse, and then all the icon sections that are available for this that you have downloaded would appear. So the one I downloaded was this. So I want to click on it, so it pops up here. I want to press open, okay. I want to press apply and okay. Then it should change. It sometimes doesn't work right away. All you gotta do is just restart or shut down your computer for like 10 minutes, open it back up, and it should work. Sometimes it could take days, but the easiest way to do it, so um right here, you can just click on that and do it. Do the same thing, properties, bang, that's easy. That's the easiest way, which does it extremely fast, and then you can just attach
What? What the fuck?
it. You just press into taskbar. Yeah, and now let's get to the other parts of this. So now you guys know how to change your icons, right? And how to make a lot of things, like make your taskbar disappear. Now I'm going to show you how to get like your Cortana search bar, everything out. All you got to do is right click right here, and then you want to uncheck all of this. Uncheck all of this. So if I check this, it's going to show my Cortana button, which you can see right here. You don't want that at all. So you want to press gone. So it's all gone. I'm gonna just X that out. See, you can see that I like uncheck all of this. Now you want to activate links, which this is important. You want to always activate links, and you want to unlock your um on taskbar. What this does is it allows you to move your icons. So this is easy. You want to probably, you can put it at wherever you want and however you like. I like mine's right in the middle, which gives us this cool gaming effect, I guess. It kind of looks cool to me too. And then after you're done, you got your correct spot. You just want to, so it does have movement more to the left. So if you can like lock your taskbar, and that's all you got to do right here. Easy peasy. And then you're almost done. So then what you want to do is like usually if you haven't done it yet, all your apps and photos and things that you've downloaded from before would be piled up here, which does not look clean. It looks pretty much garbage to me. So you wanna right click, and then you wanna press view, and you wanna uncheck this show desktop icons, and then you wanna uncheck that, and everything should just disappear from here. Easy, guys. So that's almost done. We're almost done. We're probably at the last step from now on. You wanna open up your Chrome. This is how you get the wallpaper. So you want to open up your Chrome, and then you want to search for this. I'll try to put the link in the description. Converting your files, online converter. So this is easy to do. You want to open this up, and then you want to open a new tab just in case you'll need this, really important. And you want to search for live. Okay, so you want to search for mylivewallpapers.com. Mylivewallpaper.com. This is like the best to me, where you can get live wallpapers. Easy to do, extremely easy to get all these live wallpapers. You can see there's gaming, anime, sorry, all types. There's categories you can choose of what types do you want. I'm gonna just click on nature for right now, and you can see that there's so many different ones that you guys might like.
Yeah, boy.
So I'm gonna just show you for an example. Let's see. There's other options too if you want. Let's see. Which one should we do? I think this one kind of looks cool. It's like a weird, not weird, but it kind of looks cool. This one actually is a calm, relaxing looking. set up with the cabin, but I'm gonna keep on checking for something else. This one's actually really nice looking. A galaxy. Like let's see this one. Let's see this one. What does this one look like? You can see that there's movement around. That's why it's a live wallpaper, obviously. So yeah, so there's so many you can choose from. Like there's over hundreds of these different ones. I'm not sponsored, please. Yeah, why don't we choose this one because I already have this one. I already have this one downloaded, so it's easier for me to show you guys. What you want to do here is you want to scroll down. If you're using an Android device, you can actually download it for mobile and do it. But yeah, you can download it as a live photo, I think. Yeah, and then you can just add it, or you can just get a random video. Like this only works for Android, not iOS.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Sadly, and but since we're on a desktop right now, a desktop, so you want to pick this one on this side. There's on different files, there's different type of downloading options, but you just want to click download right here. And then it should automatically download it for you right there. I'm gonna just cancel that because I already have it. Um, yeah, and it's gonna download right here. The rest is gonna be hopefully easy. You want to go to your file converter. You want to you want to look for video converter right here. You're gonna scroll down and you're gonna look for WMV converter. Convert to WMV. This is one of the only things that a different app will accept. So you just want to click that. It's really easy. And then you want to press choose file. And then it's going to open up this. So you can go to, this is where I have all my live wallpapers on a folder. So you just want to go in here and this is all the live wallpapers I have. So if not, you don't have a folder like this or you don't want one, you can just click on a video that you have that you want to turn into a live wallpaper like this one that we just checked. That's the one we wanted to add, right? So we're gonna just click on that. Imagine I just did because I don't want to do it over and over again. Because imagine I just clicked on the video and then you just press open. And then the whole thing, it probably, depending on the file size, which would only take like 5 minutes usually, add your internet speed, it's gonna like take 5 minutes. You choose file, blah, and then you want to just press start conversion, sorry, and then it would it's gonna turn the file into a MV file, and then it would automatically download onto your computer. So after you've done that and have the downloaded file, which is turned into a WMV file, what you want to do next is you want to go back to Microsoft Store. So I'm going to get that. I should have done this earlier, but let's do it right now. And then I'm going to search for live. That's okay. This is it. Desktop live wallpaper app. Wallpapers. So you just want to click on that. And it's like always, it's a purple logo. Okay, don't mix it up with other apps, please. Then it would mix it up. So after you go on this, I already own this, so you just want to download it. And after you download this application right here, you just want to press click right there. After you download it, it's gonna pop up at this right here. So I have it right here located. So you want to click on that, double tap. So what you want to do is browse for folder. And you want to look for the folder that you have your videos on. So for me, I'm going to just click on my name right here. And then all my personal stuff would be right under here, so including my videos. And then I'm going to go to my live wallpaper, or else you can just automatically just click videos if there's no files or anything. You can just click on live wallpaper and then just say OK. Click OK. And then all the videos that are available for you to turn into wallpapers would be here. So I chose this one, right? So all you gotta do here is just click on whatever wallpaper you would like. So you can see after I clicked on this one right here that we downloaded, it turns into that. And this one looks amazing to me. But since I'm going on a theme, I'm gonna change it back to my McLaren. And yeah, You can see that it turned right back. So this is really easy to do if you're wanting to like change your computer entirely. There's so many other options too if you want. It's like so many different wallpapers. Look at this one. This one looks amazing. Actually, this one fits to my theme. So yeah, like go ahead, try it. You might want it. I mean, it does look cool. Okay, yeah, that's technically all there is to the video. So I'm gonna open this back up. So yeah, I'm gonna show you my face now. I'm gonna look at my face myself. So that's all you gotta do for this, and to make your whole setup look amazing. And yeah, so let me just increase that. Like easy peasy stuff. Ease. So if you want to make it look like this, it's easy, right? So I hope I helped you guys out a lot. I really hope. So if this did help you turn your PC into like something really cool, please support me. Like the video at least, or like subscribe or comment. I don't really care. No hates, please. I'm just trying my best. Yeah, that's really it. Like, subscribe mainly. I'm low on subscribers at this point of time. If there is some easier ways to do just what I did, I'll probably update the video. Um, Maybe I'll do a part two and update all the setups where you can like do it like bam and make everything work. So this is what I got right now. It's really easy to me. Hopefully it is for you guys too. It looks easy. I've explained it as much as possible. I couldn't have done it since I'm on my computer. I already have, and I'm gonna have to restart everything, which is hard work for me because I've done this like so many times because it had to be restart. Yeah, that's all I gotta tell you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, show your friends how to do this, and yeah, peace. I'm gonna go now.
Oh, you've gone all quiet.